Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Clear Night Engine feature in OnePlus 15R's camera for better low light photos. To use this feature, simply open the camera application, then let's swipe the list of modes to the left until we open more section. Here we're gonna have to select night. Now if you want to, you can use tripod for better results, but if you don't have a tripod, then do not use the tripod mode and just keep your phone steady while taking a photo. And I'm gonna take a photo under the table where I'm sitting because it's very dark in there. Okay, so just hold your phone steady for a while taking a photo, and then once the photo is taken, take a look at the result, and I can see it's kind of blurry. So actually let me try once again. Just try to keep your device as steady as possible, and now let's see what the result looks like. Let me just increase the brightness. And here is what we got here. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.